Hey guys, so I wanted to do a really quick video on how to dye your synthetic weave. The way that I dye my extensions is by hair chalking my hair. So hair chalk is temporary, it doesn't stain any of your clothes, and it's just pretty awesome. I really like it. I got the Splat hair chalk. This one retails about $10.99 at CVS or Walgreens and stuff like that. And the color that I'm using is in the color Midnight Blue. And it looks like this. It's like really blue. They didn't have like a really nice like purple color. Like you guys know I love purple hair. In order to use it, so you're going to grab like a piece of hair. I'm just going to do one little strand in the front for you guys because I don't want to really have my hair blue again. So I'm going to put this tissue behind so I don't really like put too much chalk on my hands. And then you're going to put it right on top of the hair, and then you're going to slide down. Just like that. And then as you can see, it's blue. And you can just do a couple streaks here and there if you want, but I'm not going to put too much, just like a couple strands in the front. It's going to be blue. So I chalked up the front of my hair. I just did like really random like pieces in the front of my hair just so you guys can see like how it looks, but it's like very blue. And you know, like after wearing it maybe like 2 to 3 days, like the color isn't as vibrant, but the color is still there. And it lasts about like a week before like it really starts to look kind of dull. It's not like as vibrant, so you know you have to like retouch it. But that's, you know, it's really cool. I really like it. But the con about it is that it does like rub off like on your skin and stuff. Like you have to be careful with that. But I noticed that usually after the second day, after you already chalked your hair, it doesn't go on your face or anything. But I just like to go over with a a tissue or something or a napkin just to like, you know, get rid of any like fallout just in case. It kind of brings down the color, and that's how it looks. So as you guys can see, there's the color. Okay, so you guys should definitely get this hair chalk if you want to chalk your, you know, synthetic extensions, your crochet hair. So yeah, it's definitely like really awesome, and you don't need to try and bleach it, even though you can't really bleach synthetic hair anyway. So yeah, definitely like it. And even if you don't want to bleach like your virgin hair or like, you know, your human hair extensions, you can just chalk it, and it's just 10 times better that way. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I'll be happy to, you know, get back to you guys and let you know anything. Yeah, so you guys have an awesome and blessed day. Love you guys. Bye.